As a homeowner in Redmond, you know that your windows and doors play an essential role in maintaining your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. They provide protection from the elements, help insulate your home, and add aesthetic value to your property. To ensure that your windows and doors perform at their best for years to come, proper maintenance is key. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your windows and doors but also keeps them functioning optimally, saving you money on repairs and energy bills. Here's a helpful guide to maintaining your Redmond windows and doors to ensure their longevity. Clean your windows regularly. Cleaning your windows is one of the simplest and most effective ways to maintain their functionality and appearance. Over time, dirt, grime, and weather buildup can accumulate on the glass and frames, obstructing your view and potentially damaging the surface. Glass cleaning. Use a non-abrasive cleaner and a soft cloth or microfiber towel to clean your window glass. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the glass or frame. For stubborn stains, a mixture of vinegar and water can help break down grime without harming the glass. Frame and sill cleaning. Wipe down window frames and sills to remove dirt and moisture that can lead to wear or mold growth. Use a damp cloth and ensure you dry the frames afterward. For wood windows, check for signs of peeling or rot and sand down rough spots as necessary. For sliding windows or sash windows, be sure to clean the tracks to prevent dirt from interfering with the sliding mechanism. Regular cleaning will keep your windows looking pristine and functioning smoothly. Inspect and replace weather stripping. Weather stripping plays a critical role in insulating your windows and doors by sealing gaps and preventing drafts. Over time, weather stripping can become worn, cracked, or detached, which can lead to heat loss or higher energy bills. Check for damage. Inspect the weather stripping around both your windows and doors at least once a year. Look for cracks, gaps, or areas that have detached from the frame. If you find any damage, replace the weather stripping immediately. Apply new sealant. If the weather stripping appears intact but has lost its seal, you can use a fresh layer of silicone-based sealant around the frame to restore its insulating properties. Properly maintained weather stripping will ensure your windows and doors remain energy efficient, keeping your home comfortable while reducing your energy costs. Lubricate moving parts. Windows and doors with moving parts, such as sliding windows, casement windows, or sliding patio doors, require regular lubrication to ensure they operate smoothly. Over time, dirt and debris can get trapped in the tracks or hinges, making it harder for the window or door to open and close properly. Lubrication. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the moving parts of your windows and doors, such as the tracks, hinges, and locks. Be sure to use a lubricant that doesn't attract dust or dirt, as this can cause further friction. Clean the tracks before applying the lubricant to avoid gunk buildup. Check for wear. If your window or door starts to become difficult to open or close, it could be a sign that the hardware is worn or damaged. Replace any broken or rusted parts to maintain smooth functionality. Inspect and repair seals. Both the window seals and door seals are essential for maintaining the energy efficiency and integrity of your home. A compromised seal can lead to air leaks, moisture buildup, and even mold growth. Window seal inspection. Check your window seals annually for signs of damage, such as cracks, gaps, or condensation between double-glazed panes. If you spot any issues, replace the seals to restore your window's insulation properties. Door seal inspection. Similarly, inspect the seals on your doors, especially entry doors and patio doors, to ensure they are intact and providing a good seal. If you notice air drafts or moisture around the door frame, it's time to replace the seal. Protect your doors and windows from the elements. Redmond's weather can vary, with wet winters and occasional heavy winds. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause wear and tear on your windows and doors, especially if they are not protected. Exterior protection. If you have wooden windows or doors, they are particularly susceptible to damage from moisture, sun, and temperature fluctuations. Refinish the wood every few years to protect it from the elements. Use weather-resistant paints or stains to keep the wood sealed and safe from water damage. Install storm windows. If you live in an area that experiences extreme weather, installing storm windows can provide an additional layer of protection for your primary windows, reducing the risk of damage and improving insulation. Check for structural issues. Inspect the frames of your windows and doors for any signs of structural damage. Cracks in the frame, warping, or loose fittings can lead to poor operation and may require professional repair. Look for gaps. Examine the corners and edges of both windows and doors to check for any shifting or warping. Any gaps that develop should be repaired to maintain proper insulation. Replace damaged frames. If you notice extensive damage to the frames, such as rot in wooden frames or rust in metal frames, consider replacing the frames along with the window or door for optimal performance. Schedule professional inspections. While regular DIY maintenance is important, it's also a good idea to have your windows and doors professionally inspected every few years. A professional can identify issues that may not be visible to the naked eye, such as insulation problems, seal failures, or structural weaknesses that could affect your home's energy efficiency and safety. Conclusion. Maintaining your Redmond windows and doors is essential for ensuring their longevity, improving your home's energy efficiency, and maintaining its curb appeal. By regularly cleaning, inspecting, and repairing your windows and doors, you can avoid costly repairs and enjoy a more comfortable and secure home. With a bit of effort and attention, your windows and doors will continue to enhance your home for years to come. If you need assistance with repairs or maintenance, don't hesitate to contact a professional. They can help ensure your windows and doors are in top condition, keeping your home looking great and functioning efficiently.